world of military aviation, few aircraft command as much respect as the C-17 Globemaster III, a flying giant built to move the impossible. Designed by McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, the C-17 has become the backbone of air mobility for the United States Air Force and several allied nations around the globe. Today, on the Infographics Show, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most versatile and dependable military transport aircraft ever created, the C-17 Globemaster III. At first glance, the C-17 looks massive, and it is. This strategic airlifter stretches nearly 174 feet long with a wingspan of about 170 feet. It stands over 55 feet tall, about the height of a 5-story building. The aircraft is powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney F117 PW100 turbofan engines, each producing an incredible 40,000 pounds of thrust. With that kind of power, the C-17 can carry up to 170,900 pounds of cargo. That's roughly equivalent to transporting an M1 Abrams tank, 3 Stryker armored vehicles, or even a Chinook helicopter. But what truly makes the C-17 special isn't just its size, it's what it can do. This aircraft was designed to deliver troops and equipment directly into combat zones, even on short, unpaved runways. The C-17 can take off from runways as short as 3,500 feet and land on dirt or gravel strips that most jets wouldn't dare touch. Once on the ground, it can reverse its engines to back up, turning around on narrow airfields without any external assistance. In short, the C-17 is both powerful and incredibly flexible, a rare combination in aviation. The story of the C-17 began in the early 1980s when the U.S. Air Force needed a transport aircraft that could combine the heavy lift capability of the older C-141 Starlifter and the short field performance of the C-130 Hercules. McDonnell Douglas answered that call, and after years of design and testing, the first C-17 took to the skies in 1991. It entered active service in 1995, and it has been a workhorse ever since. One of the C-17's greatest strengths is its ability to adapt to different missions. In wartime, it can deploy troops, heavy vehicles, and supplies to the front lines. In peacetime, it's equally valuable for humanitarian missions, delivering food, medicine, and emergency aid to disaster zones around the world. Whether it's a battlefield in Afghanistan or a flood-stricken region in Southeast Asia, the C-17 is often among the first aircraft to arrive. Inside the C-17, the cargo bay is a marvel of military engineering. It measures 88 feet long, 18 feet wide, and 12 feet high, providing enormous flexibility. The aircraft uses a computerized load management system that helps crews adjust for balance and safety during flight. Pallets, vehicles, and even helicopters can be loaded and offloaded in a matter of minutes, making turnaround times fast and efficient. Beyond its cargo, the C-17 can also carry up to 102 fully equipped troops or 36 stretchers for medical evacuation missions. The rear loading ramp doubles as an airdrop platform, allowing the aircraft to release cargo or paratroopers from the sky with pinpoint precision. This makes it an essential part of airborne operations and rapid response missions worldwide. Now, let's talk about performance. The C-17 has a top speed of around 515 miles per hour and a range of roughly 2,400 nautical miles while carrying a full load. When refueled in mid-air, its range becomes virtually unlimited. It can climb fast, fly high, and maneuver surprisingly well for its size. Pilots often describe it as the big jet that flies like a fighter. The C-17 is not just a piece of hardware, it's a symbol of reliability. It has seen action in every major U.S. military operation since its introduction, from the Balkans to Iraq, Afghanistan, and beyond. It's also a key player in global humanitarian efforts, such as delivering supplies after the 2010 Haiti earthquake and the 2021 evacuation from Kabul, Afghanistan, where a single C-17 famously evacuated more than 800 people in one flight, a record for the aircraft. Over the years, more than 275 C-17s have been built, serving not only the US but also countries like the United Kingdom, Australia, India, Canada, Qatar, and the United Arab Emirates. Each of these nations relies on the C-17's unmatched ability to deliver critical assets anywhere on Earth, fast. When it comes to design, the C-17 incorporates advanced fly-by-wire controls, redundant systems for safety, and high-tech avionics to reduce pilot workload. Despite its size, it only requires a crew of 3, 2 pilots and 1 loadmaster. Its efficiency and dependability have made it a legend in modern airlift history. As newer technologies emerge, the C-17 continues to evolve through upgrades in avionics, communications, and navigation systems. But even decades after its first flight, no other aircraft has matched its unique balance of power, precision, and performance. The C-17 Globemaster III remains an icon of global air mobility, a machine that embodies strength, versatility, and trust. Whether it's carrying troops into combat or delivering